Okay, just going to look at some questions from page 86 to do with differentiating an expression by following the first principles. So prior to this, hopefully you've understood pages 84 and 85. But more importantly, you've gone through section 1.3. This video is pretty good by this person here, Nancy Pye, I think it is called, and you've had a look at these PowerPoints, these apps, sorry, and got the idea. In essence, this is first principles here. What is this? Something's missing here. Applying the limit in this thing here. Right, there's some good examples here as per normal from Tahi Maths. If you can follow these, you'll be able to do these exercises here. So I'm just doing a random sample. I thought we'll do 34, and then we'll jump across to do number 42 here. Now, just keep things in perspective. You're not likely at all ready to get a question requiring you to show first principles in terms of differentiating, but it's just quite cool to realize where the concept has come from. So that let's just put this on here, and number 34, which is f of x equals negative 8x. Now, obviously, let's just cheat. F dashed of x, if you differentiate that with respect to x, you're going to get the answer as negative 8. So that's your skill set from last year, eh? The coefficient there is 1. 1 comes down, subtract 1 gives you the 0. X to the power 0 disappears, it's 1, and the answer is negative 8. But let's do this by first principles. So we're going to say f dashed of x is the limit as h goes to 0 for what? F x plus h, that's going to be minus 8x plus h. So that's going to be here. Yep, let's just get that there. And what is it? That's f of x, so minus f of x. What's that? Minus 8x. So that minus thing here. And what's the bottom bit? H. Just confirm what we've just done here. So first principles, there it is there. So the limit is h equals 0. That's what I've said here. Function f(x) of h, that's what I've said there. That's the function there. Basically, what's happened, replace the x term with x plus h. There's the original function. Replace it with x plus h. So the x term here becomes x plus h. So now what do we do? Going back to here, we expand things out here. So we can say the limit as h goes to 0 is minus 8x minus 8h. What happens here? That becomes plus 8x. The whole thing is over h. What's going to cancel out? Those cancel. What's left? The limit as h goes to 0 for what? You've got the h's cancel out, and the answer is just, well, it comes to be minus 8. So there's no h to put the 0, so the answer officially is negative 8, which we knew was going to be the case to start with. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do number, I think we're going to do number 42. Number 42 says f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x. Okay, if you want to get the answer straight away, f dashed of x, that means differentiate this with respect to x, is 2x plus 5. So that's our answer. Let's get this answer by first principles. So underneath it here, I'm going to put fx plus h. So that's going to be x plus h squared plus 5x plus h. I'm just going to do some algebra here. I'm going to expand that out. That's going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5x plus 5h. So into the formula it goes. Let's write the full thing out. F dashed of x is equal to the limit. So I should put a bar there. H goes to 0. What's on the top part? It's this thing here. So let's put all that down. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5x plus 5h minus what? This thing. So it's going to be minus x squared. And what goes here? That basically it's a minus as well. Okay, so if we're minusing, that's going to be minus x squared and minus 5x. And that whole thing is over h. Just remind ourselves, the whole thing is over h. So the first bit, the function x plus h, which was this thing here, minus the other function. That's very messy. You get the idea. Okay, so can we cancel some stuff out? Sure can. That thing there cancels that out. That cancels that out. What's left? We've got 2xh plus h squared plus 5h over h, and that limit as h goes to 0. So should we common factor here? Oh, keep putting that it's not a fraction. Okay, so h, what's left? 2x plus h plus 5 over h. H is cancelled. So we've got it down to this expression here. And now apply the limit. So that goes to 0. What's left is your answer, 2x plus 5, which is what it should be. Done. Oops, wrong one.